Question and answer.
Why?
No, go. Question and answer.
Welcome to Elwin's question and answer.
Oh, look at the camera. Okay. Oh, question 1.
Why did you tell you
How many planets in the universe?
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto.
I said how many? How many?
1, 2, 3.
How many? Don't. How many? How many planets?
No.
Can you count in
What?
1 to 100? Go.
No, but it's
Count number.
thousand of numbers. That's why there's so many.
Ah.
How about 1 to 10?
Okay, 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many
What?
1 in 10?
11.
11 daw.
11.
Oh, last question. Last
What's
question. What is the name
of
of the pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas? What is the name? Go.
Bayang Magiliw?
Doctor. Say doctor.
Doctor.
Jose Rizal.
Serisang.
Okay, go. Last. Sing
Sa Pilipino.
Calabarzon. Go. Dito sa Go. Bala ka nga dyan. No Roblox.
I won.
Why do you want Roblox?
Because I just won.
What do you learn in Roblox?
Everything.
What everything? Give me some.
Uh,
Example. 1. What?
where
What do you learn in playing Roblox?
collect animals
Ah?
and hobby.
Ano?
Collect animals and hobby on Roblox.
Sino maganda?
Elvin.
Sino pogi?
Tito Jom.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye vlog.
Bye.
Say bye-bye vlog.
Vlog. Bye vlog.